Okay, definition number 2 is very important. It is called as couple. Couple means just like a movement, we can have a couple, but there is some difference between movement and couple. So, what exactly the couple is? Couple means when we term a couple, it should have three important conditions. Means the forces exactly parallel to each other. Most of the time we come across the cases where two forces acts on the body such that they are exactly parallel to each other. They are parallel to each other. Their magnitudes are equal. Means equal and opposite in direction you can consider, but they are opposite in direction. So parallel to each other, magnitudes are equal but exactly opposite in direction. For example, rotation of the steering wheel. So you can consider our car's steering wheel. When we rotate the steering wheel by both the hands, what we are doing, we are applying the parallel force from both the hand. Even their magnitudes are equal and they are exactly opposite in direction. So in that case, the couple can be formed. So we are applying parallel forces equal in magnitude but opposite in direction. Similarly, a simple example, it is operation of the tap. Operation of tap means while opening or closing the tap, we are applying the forces. We are applying the forces exactly parallel to each other. Their magnitudes are equal in opposite direction. So by both the fingers, right? So that's what we are opening and closing the tap means we are forming a couple at a particular center point. Okay. Now, how to find out the strength of the couple? The strength of the couple is indicated by the turning moment and denoted by capital C. It is denoted by capital C. Capital C means here you can see if there is a force F. Couple means what? Parallel forces. Yes, this is exactly parallel to each other. Their magnitudes are same means F magnitudes are same and opposite in direction. This is in downward direction. This is in upward direction. Right. So if this is the case, what would be the couple? Couple can be indicated by capital C is equals to the product of force and perpendicular distance between both the forces. So C is equals to F into D. C is equals to F into D. So F is in Newton, D is in meter or Newton meter or Newton mm or Newton centimeter. Where F is the magnitude of force. What is the magnitude of force? You can write it here. Then D is the distance between them. D is the distance between them. You can put it here. You can find a couple C. I hope you are getting my point. Now, second example. Let's say there is a force 40 acting is like this. Another force F in downward direction. Both are parallel. Their magnitudes are same but in opposite direction. And distance between both the forces is given as a 2 meter. Okay. So this can be represented by this way. Means what would be the couple here? C is equals to 40 into this 2 is equals to 80 Newton meter. So this 80 Newton meter can be considered as a same. This is clockwise. This is also clockwise. Okay, now see the important parts, the characteristics of the couple. Characteristics of the couple means couple having same turning moment are equivalent. Couple having same turning moment means if there is a 30 Newton is acting in the upward direction, downward direction and perpendicular distance is 4 meter. So couple will be considered as here C is equals to 30 into 4. But it is in clockwise direction. Right? Similarly, if I write the 40 Newton and distance between them is 3 meter, this will be also 120 Newton meter. So either you can represent the couple by this way or this way. So couple having same turning moments are equivalent. This is equivalent to this and this equivalent to this. So either you can represent it by this way or this way. Okay, characteristics number 2. the moment of couple at any point remain the same. The moment of a couple about any point in its plane remain the same. For example, this is the plane. If I want to know the couple at point P, so moment of couple, moment of couple, moment of couple means the force into perpendicular distance, force into perpendicular distance. So moment of couple at point P is equals to moment at point Q, and that will be equals to F into D, F into D. Okay, and number 3 is two or more couples in one plane may be combined into a single couple by its addition. For example, if this is the body and 3 couples are acting on it, important is 40 Newton meter is acting in clockwise direction, 30 Newton meter is in anti-clockwise direction, and 20 Newton meter in anti-clockwise direction. So we can add or we can subtract the couple. If there are more than 2 couples, we can combine in a single plane or single couple only by its sign convention. So clockwise will be considered as a positive, anti-clockwise will be considered as a negative. So anti-clockwise means minus 20, minus 30, minus 50, plus 40, so minus 10. So instead of using minus 10 Newton meter, we can have couple in anti-clockwise direction. So anti-clockwise direction means it is negative. So this can be combined in a single couple.